Ate Madel, can you help me with my assignment in science?
Naku, ano ba yung assignment mo?
What is water cycle? Give an example of water cycle.
Water cycle? Evaporation?
Uy, ano ba yan? Ang ginagawa niyo assignment ni Pochi?
Oo, ikaw nga. Hindi ko na yung natatandaan ako.
Ay, ano nakalagay? What is water cycle and give an example?
May
Naku,
evaporation,
oo nga, no.
condensation.
magtanong tayo kay Dola. Kasi
Ayun.
si Dola is free up na pwede nating tanungan. Para may idea siya, si Pochi. O ito,
Uy, yun pala,
lagay natin
Pochi.
dito
Sige, pakita mo nga sa kanya yan.
Yes.
Kasi ako yung kinukulit nito.
Ito, Pochi, what is water cycle and give an example?
The water cycle is the continuous movement of water on, above, and below Earth's surface,
Ooh.
driven by solar energy and gravity. It involves key processes: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, infiltration, and runoff, which circulate water between oceans, atmosphere, land, and living organisms.
Ayan nga yung
Example,
sulat.
a rainstorm in Rizal. 1. Evaporation. The sun heats water in Laguna de Bay and moisture from soil plants, turning it into water vapor that rises into the atmosphere. 2. Condensation. As the warm, moist air cools at higher altitudes, it forms tiny water droplets that
Oh,
cluster
diba?
into clouds.
Ayan na,
and form
Pochi. Sabi, give an example.
Ayan
Bibigyan ka na ng
ang
mga
galing.
example.
O diba? So malalaman mo na at matututunan mo pa kung ano yung water cycle at anong mga example niyan. O diba? Ang dali lang kay Dola.
Opo.
Oh, galing. Sige, gawin mo na.